Welcome to Steve's Renovation in Spain. Steve and his wife Dawn have just taken the biggest gamble of their lives. They've purchased a 125-year-old traditional Spanish finca that hasn't been lived in since 1989. Nature has spent the last 3 decades reclaiming the walls. The flat roofs have partially collapsed, trees have been growing in rooms, and the to-do list is roughly the size of the Mediterranean. Today, we take more roof down and put it in a wheelbarrow. We look at the water situation and we start building a dry stone wall.
Said I wasn't going to say out, but I'm trying to take the glass out. We save the glass, never know, might use it. But underneath here, this is going to be bricked up. It used to be a window. It's got like a metal frame in there as well. It's already been bricked up and sort of cemented from the other side. So we're just going to fill it in, because this is where the kitchen's going. Probably not the best tool, is it? But there's a tool in here somewhere.
You said it, Steve. Let's pause it there for a second. What Steve should have said right now is that he has not been wearing safety gear and apologises to all viewers and his mum, and will make sure he wears it in future episodes not already recorded.
Can you see what that is? It's a shovel. I'm using a shovel to take the roof off. Unbelievable. So you can see the roof has been took down, and as I said before, the roof's made up of looks like seaweedy sort of stuff. Let's see. So we looked it up on the internet, and it's supposed to be some sort of seaweed, which I guess is waterproof, but I don't know how it actually keeps a roof waterproof. And then what we said is sort of ash type stuff. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to separate as much as we can, like rake out the seaweed, and also there was a bamboo, so we're separating the bamboo and the seaweed as much as we can. And then this ash soily material, well, it's more like ash, sandy ash material, we're keeping that, we're stockpiling it, and we're going to use it to raise the floor in some other part of the building that we're going to be working on later on. And it'll also provide sort of insulation as well. So as much as we can, we're trying to recycle what we've got. We're not trying to build an eco house, but we want to save money. That's part of it. And also, if we can reuse materials, then why not? Let's do it.
Looks like you have plenty space to store materials during the build. Nice.
One thing we need to do, we're not connected to any mains water. We will be getting a big tank later, but we need to fill the RV up with water. And to do that at the moment, we actually go and get water from petrol stations. We pay for it. It's part of filling the tyres up. You can also pay €1 and it'll fill up nearly 4 of these 8-litre bottles. And what we have an holding tank. I don't know how much it holds. It holds maybe 80 litres, something like that. And we've got a pump set up So there we go, we pump the water out of this tank into the big tank we've got in the motorhome. So, what am I doing today?
Yes, what are you doing, Steve?
Quite simply, we're repurposing these rocks that someone kindly dropped off on the land before we bought the house. And what we're doing is, I'll just find one more. Oh, right, okay. So what we're doing is sorting out where the water container's going to go. So we're going to get a 7,500 litre water container, and it's going to go approximately here. It's going to be a big round tank. So our property, it doesn't have running water like normal people. We have to get tanked water in, and it comes in approximately about 6,000 litres. So we're going to get 7,500 litres. So we know there's always some left over. So today we're going to go a bit old school, and we're going to use these rocks, and we're going to build a dry stone wall.
Nice.
And it's going to take a while, so you can have a look later. First of all, I'd like you to meet Charlie. This is Charlie. Come here. Come here. Come down here. And he just lives in the area, and he looks after the houses and everybody around, gives them a bit of food. And he's a good dog. He's a good guide dog as well, aren't you?
Charlie looks like a big dog.
All right. But then sometimes we've got to work, so let's show you what's been going on. And little secret, don't do everything by myself. Somebody else maybe or may not be controlling the camera right now. But yeah, come and have a look at this.
Looks like a wall.
So it might not be too pretty, but it's a start of a wall, and then we're going to level down, so this is where the water tank's going to go. But yeah, most of the rocks that we've got, I mean, this one's not a bad one, but most of them are round, and it's good that we've been able to find a few big ones, but most of the rocks are round. Very difficult to make a dry stone wall like that, but we're not doing too bad, and I think the finished product will look alright when it's got the water tank on. And again, you're going to see it later on in the show.
I see you're building up the workforce. Making use of the old roof material. Clever. Next time, Steve buys some scaffolding. It's time to take the main roof down and get some more seaweed and ash. Another wall comes down, and Steve opens up the long blocked doorway and thinks he's just finished the channel tunnel.
Hello.
See you next time on Steve's Renovation in Spain.